Hey, hey. Ain't nobody but
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. I hope you guys are doing all right. I hope you guys are okay. If this is your first time of seeing my face on my channel, you're welcome. And also if you're my old returning subscribers, you are also welcome. So for today's video, as you may know from the title already, I'll be trying to do one or two person's makeup, literally not two person, one person's makeup. Your purpose is just like trying to see if the techniques works best on you, because everybody do their makeup differently. The way I will apply my makeup is different from the way you apply your makeup. So this trend has been going on for quite a little time, and I'm just, you know what, maybe it's time for me to jump right into it and see how it works best for me. The person I'll be trying to do their makeup is by Kim Kardashian. She's not really a YouTuber or in the YouTube beauty guru like that, but she's into makeup, and she's like obviously queen of contour and highlight, and she's also have her own like makeup product, and everybody try like, oh, what does she use on her skin, because her makeup is always flawless, even if she got a makeup artist, but still sometimes she also do her makeup. I'm gonna put a video right here so you guys get to know what I'm doing. I will be watching this video on my laptop, so yeah.
So I am going to show you guys how I do my makeup. I always had so many products, and I just wanted like a little defined kit of all of my favorite.
It seems like she's only going to use her own contour products which she has. I don't know if she uses any foundation or anything. Let's switch.
So by the way, guys, I have no foundation on, no concealer on, so it's not going to look as like flawless unless you put all of that on under and do the whole process. But I'm just showing you what my like everyday, all natural 5-minute look will be when I don't feel like, you know, just putting on a ton of makeup.
She's not using foundation and concealer, or I don't know what she's using, but let's watch.
I first just put on moisturizer. I feel like sometimes when you only...
I can see in the video she's already done her brows, so good thing I did my own brows, because my god, literally. So yes, she applied a moisturizer on her face. I'm just gonna head to quickly moisturize my face. Oh god, I'm kind of banging things, so I'm just gonna head to quickly moisturize my face as well. Oh, smells so nice. She didn't put primer, but just moisturizer.
Only have 5 minutes, and I just want to look a little bit more sculpted in bronze. This is what I do. So I go between the medium color kit and the dark color kit. I know this isn't concealer, but because it's like all I'm really using, I kind of use it a little bit as concealer, like the matte highlighter side.
Right, she's using a contour sticks which have a bit of like contour, and to me it's like a concealer but not a liquid concealer, and she says not concealer. So I don't have any of KKW products right here with me, but I do have Fenty contour sticks with me, which are these, and I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm just gonna try to work something out with this product right here, and also maybe use my concealer on my contour product as well, just to fill up the areas that literally it's not filling up, I guess.
I literally was stranded and only had this product. This is like exactly what I would do. So I put on just like the matte side of the highlighter everywhere. And then I'll take the medium color stick and I'll use the lighter.
Oh god, this is too fast. So she actually applied this matte contour or highlight stick underneath her eyes, her forehead. I just say that this is gonna be a disaster. God, why did I choose this video? And on our jaw, and also her nose area. And she talked about the light. How the shit is gonna cover up. Okay.
Color, just contour down my nose, and I always do the tip of my nose because it just shortens your nose.
So she applied a light contour stick just around her nose area. However, the contour stick I have from Fenty is way too dark. I really do not want to use that, so I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever contour. Okay, let's play this.
Makes it look so cute. And if you want a little bit stronger, I'll just like do that. Then I will take the darker side of the medium and just kind of go down my cheek. And I love to go along my hairline because I just really like to look super bronzed, and I love like a short forehead. I know it sounds weird, but like it'll totally shorten your forehead if you just like put it there. I mean, my theory with contour is I always go kind of in like a 3.
So she's going in a three shape of contour on the face as well. However, I'm going to use this my black opal contour or foundation stick in Hazelnut just to do that 3 shapes. I like this because it's not that too like dark of this contour right here.
Kind of just go down and like this. The 3 starts here and down that way. So I'll blend my forehead first, and I just kind of go in a circular motion
with the
brush.
That's too fast. That's how she done it. 3. So she's blended the contour out first with a brush. So which I'm gonna do.
And I kind of try to go in the 3 first. So I use this little kabuki brush, and since we're kind of on the dark colors already and I haven't really blended the light colors, I'll kind of go down my nose and try to blend that, and I just kind of like blend it into my eye. Mario, are you jealous? And then I kind of go with the sponge part.
Okay, let me blend this contour out before I go to the sponge part because she's really fast. So far what I can see is that I don't have foundation on, but this contour is filling up as if it's my foundation. So just blend the nose area into the eyes, which she did there. Kim. What's good, Kim? What's good? So let's go to the concealer underneath the eyes. She said she's using the other side because she has a brush sponge. I don't have that, so I'm going to use my beauty blender sponge, which is wet, to blend underneath the eyes.
I like to wet the sponge a little bit, and I always use my hand. So I just use the sponge side and I try to blend in all of the highlighter. Then I kind of go over, since there's like some leftover product, I just want to make sure it blends well. And I also like to use my fingers to blend a little bit, just because, you know, this is not a foundation, this is not a concealer, this is just supposed to look like just dewy and not a lot of makeup. And then I kind of, since I don't want it to look too white, I take the extra leftover product on the brush and I just kind of blend it in all over. If we're sticking with just one color, like the medium stick, I'll take the lighter color and I use it as like a lip liner. Enough, I'll like, because it kind of makes your lips look a little bit bigger. You could like overline it.
So she's contour on
just
lips
kind of blend and use the lighter one. It's just kind of a like bronzy browny color, and then I use the darker color as like under eye shadow. When I'm doing my makeup myself, I always use bronzer as shadow. Just gives you like exactly just like a warm feeling, so you look alive. And then I'll take the highlighter, go down my nose with the shimmery highlighter, go up.
Okay, she actually used her hand to blend the contour she applied on her eyelid to give like a bronzer effect look, and also on her lips as well, like a lip liner. So next she used a highlight stick from KKW collection. I don't have that, like I said before, so I'm going to use Cinnamon from Fenty. It's a highlight stick shimmer on Cupid's bow
corner. And then I even take the shimmery one, or we can really do the matte one, and I do it on my inner waterline.
Are you serious right now?
I'm in. I'll either do shimmer or matte on the brow line. And then just blend it. So then I put a little shimmer on my collarbone and sometimes just like down my shoulders.
I don't have collarbone to put on.
A little bit of shimmer here on my cheeks, because I think everyone should glow a little bit. Adding a little translucent powder because it's a little too shiny.
See, whoever's doing that editing so fast, like I can literally just finish one before going to next What? Like, come on. She set her face with a powder, but she didn't say what powder. Okay, she just went in. She never said what powder she used. She just set her face with powder. Like, it's so fast. I'm setting my face with powder from Laura Mercier. And this is normally the way I set my powder. I normally bake. I don't use a compact powder to set my face, but actually, I should use a kabuki brush to set our face powder.
And then if I feel like I don't have enough color, I just add a little bit here on my cheeks. So remember, I don't have foundation. I don't have anything. Just warms you up a little bit.
So she's talking about she doesn't have enough color on her face. Like if her face is so plain, like all foundation color, so she want to give it a color. She had a little bit of something. She never mentioned what that is, but my guess is like a liquid, sorry, like a cream blush that she applied on her cheeks, because that is the area she used her hands on. So what else can go there other than blush? I don't know if I have one, but I think I do, but I need to find it. So I'll be using this Quarter Super Shock blush from Colorpop. This is not a really cream blush, not a powder blush. This is like a velvety buttery blush. So yeah, so I'm just gonna apply it on the cheek, just where Kim applied a blush, just to give her color, because she don't have color. Okay, I don't know if this is showing up. I get to see my face. Ooh. So that's it. That's what she do. I don't know what to say. Well, everybody here applied their makeup differently, but I just think like doing this style is not gonna like work for me, although it is looking good on the camera, on the mirror, but deep down I feel like this is not my shade, my body shade. This is not like blending to my neck or my chest, because I just feel my face is too darker than the rest of my body right now. This is not my 5 minutes get out of the door look. I prefer to go for a foundation than going for a matte concealer and a matte contour and say that is my go-to ready. No, because I have hyperpigmentation, which is right here. I have like spots and blemishes on my face, and matte concealer is not going to cover that up for me. Maybe a full coverage foundation will do, and that's it, and bake with my powder and out of the door. But doing like this, yeah, it worked for her, but literally this is not working for me at all. Like, I'm all brown, I'm muddy, I look dirty. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to share my video, tell your friends, your work colleagues. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe before you go, guys. Like, please help me out. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Like, I'm working my way up there, so that means you guys have to subscribe. And guys, if you want to be receiving daily alert from me whenever I upload a video, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon. And until then, guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Don't forget to watch my previous video, guys. Check them out, share my video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you then. Peace.